Today, we are going to learn about natural selection and the peppered moth. Natural selection is one of the basic mechanisms of evolution, along with mutation, migration, and genetic drift. Natural selection describes the process by which species of animals and plants that are best adapted to their environment survive and reproduce, whereas those less well adapted die out. This is sometimes referred to as survival of the fittest. One of the very commonly used examples of natural selection is the case of the peppered moth. The peppered moth is a species found in England. It is found in two variations or alleles, white and black. In the early 19th century, the population of peppered moths consisted of about 80% of the white allele. This was because the moths rested on birch trees in the forest, which had light bark, meaning that the darker moths were much easier to see, and therefore much easier to eat for predators. However, something changed in England later that century. This was the rise of industry and coal burning. By the mid-19th century, researchers began to observe that it was now the population of black moths that was more abundant. The burning of coal had caused pollutants and factory smoke and soot to spread and darken the bark of the birch trees. The once light trees were now dark and hid the black moths better from predators, leaving the white moths to be picked off by predators. So, due to a change in environmental conditions, a different variation of the species became better adapted for survival.